Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Cuss over here, Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I got a new video for you guys. I'm changing out the blade from this cordless Wahl Senior. I went to the beauty store and I tried to get a Wahl Senior replacement blade, but they ran out of them. So what I'm using is a staggered tooth Wahl Magic Clip blade, which is the same thing. Only difference I noticed is that there's more ridges on the moving blade. And I guess it cuts a little better or whatever. You know, I guess it's all based off whoever's opinion. But first thing you want to do is, of course, unplug it. This is a cordless clipper, so you want to open this packaging up. I'm going to take this stationary blade and the moving blade out. Oh. It comes with these two screws right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it comes with two screws. Sit those down and some oil right here, okay? So I'm gonna get this out the way. The product number is 2161, just so if you guys were to purchase this. And like I said, they ran out of cordless Wahl Senior blade, so I got the Magic Clip blade, which is just as good. All right, now you want to go from there to actually unscrewing the stationary blade, and take those screws out. You probably can use the same screw, but they just fell off. So I guess I'll use the new screws. All right, so let me get this out of the way. And like I said, this will fit. It'll fit the same way that the Wahl Senior blade will fit the same way that same way. So all I did was put the blades back on, screw them on real snug. And when you screw them on, you never want to screw it on too tight because you want to leave room to adjust the blade. Like I said, everything fits the same way. You also want to push this lever up all the way. That way it's on the up position. Then from there you want to push down on this blade right here. Adjust it the best way you can. And this is what I normally do. I normally push this blade all the way up. Try to see if I can get it zero gapped a little bit. And how I do that is by pressing against a solid surface like that, and then start to screw on a little bit. Once you get it against a solid surface, the lever's pushed up and you screw it on a little bit. It's not going to be adjusted perfectly, so kind of maneuver it a little bit. Make sure you get it to just right to where you got a zero gap. And I know a lot of guys buy those zero gap tools to zero gap their clippers. I personally used to buy them when I first started in my career, but now I've been adjusting blades for so long, I can kind of just eyeball it, maneuver the blade around, and there you have it. It's zero gap. And just for security, I want to tighten this blade up. You never really want to tighten it up too much. And there we go. Brand new blade on my cordless Wahl Seniors. And like I said, this is not a Wahl Senior blade. This is actually a Wahl Magic Clip blade. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, comment below. Don't forget to hit me up on my Instagram. That's custom_made_cuts. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. And those of you that have any questions, don't forget, comment below and ask questions. Thanks you guys for subscribing. Thanks for watching my videos. And I'll see y'all soon. Peace.